Hello all, welcome to my channel Tech Research. In today's video, this is specially dedicated for postdoc research session. I have made a complete playlist where I have explained the steps and how to find a postdoc position, what are the different things to remember while applying for postdoc. And I received number of comments on each of that video. I tried to answer each of them on a particular comment, but I felt to make this video putting down all general questions in one video so it could be helpful for you if you are looking or applying for postdoc. So I'll go through each of the question and I'll try to provide the answer. So I tried to extract the question in one format. Let me go one by one. The first question comes here is there any age limit for postdoc? I felt this is an important question. The one thing to remember is postdoc is an opportunity that you apply after completion of your PhD. So it is like more exposure to your different laboratories or any research expert you want to collaborate and work further. And straightforward answer to this question is no, there is no age limit as specific for any postdoc position. Number two, which is very keen and interesting, I would say, which is the best country for postdoc or any university in specific. The first thing I would recommend to answer this question is, which is the best university in your field? Is there any famous laboratory that you want to work and collaborate with? So try to search for specific domain related university or labs, I would say, in this. So in your own field, there could be something specific and famous. So in that way, try to search for that laboratory and try to see if there is an open position in that concerned university in your domain. Is cross studies postdoc is possible? This is a very different question. If I understood it correctly, the user want to ask me like if we can do the cross-sectional studies. I mean, you have done PhD in some other research domain and you want to consider postdoc in another research domain. The only thing important to remember while applying for postdoc is the expert panel looks for the publication in a specific domain that you applied for. If the interviewer gets an confidence, like you can explain them well how you can make a difference or why it is you want to pursue postdoc in a different position other than your PhD subject. So if you try to convince them, I think it could be a possibility, but I would suggest from my experience it could be a bit tricky and hard because you need to have the relevant publications in that domain to get a particular postdoc from any university or any position. I hope I'm able to answer this question. The next is there any language certification is needed for postdoc? So there is no need for any language certification like you be in specific IELTS or TOEFL. I don't think they need that language certification. It is mostly for PhDs what is needed or for master's program, not generally for postdoc. Postdoc is usually in a language of English, and if your certification mentions like you have done your education in English, I think that's enough. So the next question is, can you provide some samples for CV, covering letter and statement of research? Yes, I have created a dedicated videos in these concerns where I have explained each and every point related to CV and covering letter and statement of research related specifically to postdoc. So do check out those videos. I'll provide the link in descriptions. So that's all the important questions that I have for this video. So if you have any further question that you would like to answer me, please write down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Before leaving, please subscribe to my channel Tech Research for updated notifications. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.